Place, yeah, know your place, yeah. I got links.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Maddie here. My brother's playing music in the background, so I'm really sorry if you hear that. I don't know if you can hear it, but I'm sorry if you can. But today in this video, I'm basically gonna sit down and I'm just going to do my makeup. I'm not gonna talk, and I'm just gonna like play like music in the background, like soothing music, because I just wanted to sit down and do my makeup, and I thought I would film it, so this is almost like makeup therapy. I hope this lighting is fine, but I don't think I'm gonna do false lashes because the lashes I have are so huge on me, and I ordered lashes but they haven't come in yet, so I'm definitely filming a makeup tutorial for like fall, but I just don't have the lashes that I want to use yet, so praying that they come in soon. But yeah, so I just thought I'd sit down, film a video, not really like a tutorial, but I'm gonna show you guys what I'm like using and stuff, so if you want to know what I'm doing. But yeah, so I'm gonna have my headphones in, just be jamming out. It's gonna be kind of like a makeup therapy for me, because I feel like I haven't done this in so long, and I just really need it, you know? Okay, let's go ahead and get into me doing my makeup. I don't really know what I'm doing, so
just adore when you're at my door, and how you make me smile, cheek to cheek for miles. When you hold my hand in front of all your friends, you already know, can't keep it on the low. Cause just as we get comfortable, it's time to leave, and then you gotta go, you gotta go. I wish that we could stay together, keep this moment like forever. Oh yeah. I'd give you my whole life just to be by your side. Keep me close when you're far away, can't be without you even for a day. I'll race to where you at, no I won't finish last. Keep me close when you're far away, can't be without you even for a day. A minute. Not even for a minute. Keep me close when you're far away, can't be without you even for a day. For a minute. Not even for a minute. Not even for a minute. Not even for a minute. Hey, I wonder how you never let me down. You already know, can't keep it on the low. No misery, it ain't a mystery. I love to feel your touch, cause I cannot get enough. But just as we get comfortable, it's time to leave, and then you gotta go, you gotta go. I wish that we could stay together, keep this moment like forever. Oh, 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 oh. I'd give you my whole life just to be by your side. Keep me close when you're far away, can't be without you even for a day. I'll race to where you at, no I won't finish last. Keep me close when you're far away, can't be without you even for a day. A minute. Not even for a minute. Keep me close when you're far away, can't be without you even for a day. Not even for a minute. Not even for a minute. Not even for a minute. I'd give you my whole life just to be by your side. Keep me close when you're far away, can't be without you even for a day. I'll race to where you at, no I won't finish last. Keep me close when you're far away, can't be without you even for a day. A minute. Hey, yeah.
what we do here is go back.